Good morning, Standard 8 students. Till now, I have taught you 7 kinds of pronoun. That is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and relative pronoun. Today we are going to start another kind of pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. So let's start. Now dear students, here you can see the 8th kind of pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. Now let me tell you what is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite Now here you can see indefinite pronouns are those pronouns that refer to persons or things in general and do not point to anyone or anything in particular. So here indefinite pronouns means it do not point out any particular things or particular person. Now here is an example you can see. One must not criticize others. So here is the one is the indefinite pronoun because here one is not used for a particular person or anything. Here you can see the second example, some are born great. So here also some is a indefinite pronoun because it is also not pointing any particular person. All are not invited to today's party. So here all is a indefinite pronoun because it is not denoting any particular person or thing. Few men are rich. Here also you can see few is an indefinite pronoun because it is not mentioning any particular person. Many of them fell sick due to overeating. So here is the many. Here many is an indefinite pronoun because it is also not mentioning any particular person. Anybody can come and watch the hockey match. So here anybody is a indefinite pronoun. It is not mentioning any particular person. Nobody knows what is going on. So here in this example, nobody is an indefinite pronoun. So it has been used as an indefinite pronoun. There is someone at the door. Go and see who is there. So here someone. So someone is a indefinite pronoun because it is not pointing out any particular person. So in the above examples, one, some, all, few, many, anybody, nobody, someone are not indicating any particular person or thing. So here I have taught you indefinite pronoun. So I hope that you have understood what is indefinite pronoun. The pronoun which does not point out any particular person. So in my next video, I am going to teach you the last kind of pronoun. So stay with me for the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.